To open the hood, there's a lever right here below your dash. Just pull forward to pop the hood. Then here in the middle of the grill, you put your fingers in the middle and push it to the right and lift up this little latch here. To check your brake fluid, there are two markings for max and a minimum. The minimum line is this seam on the bottom of the reservoir, or in the middle of the reservoir here. The max line is here. As long as you're between these two marks, your brake fluid is safe. If your brakes are fairly new, like on this case, we just replaced the brakes, all 4 brakes on this car, the fluid level should be all the way to the top. Later, as the brakes wear, the pistons don't close all the way again, or open up their grasp, so the pistons will hold fluid, meaning by the time your brake pads are fully worn all around, you'll probably be at the minimum mark. So that is not unusual. You're probably not leaking any if you're between the marks. But to add fluid in this vehicle, you need a DOT3 brake fluid. You just open the cap. You can pour it straight into the container and then close it back. If you spill any, be careful to clean it up, because brake fluid is corrosive and can eat the paint of whatever it drips on. So if it ends up on your brake booster or frame somewhere, it can eat the paint. So be sure you don't let it sit on your body or any surface that is painted.